Hi everybody. Great job in the first week in Foundations of Data Analytics. As many of you have noticed, the first week's material was largely review material that you should have encountered in a previous statistics class. This will remain the case for the next couple of weeks. The reason why, as mentioned during the orientation, is that it's critical for everyone to have a strong understanding of the basics before moving on to the more advanced courses in the program. I've enjoyed reading your learning journals as well as the first week's discussion forum. I'm happy to hear that many of you are enjoying using Gretl and finding it to be quite user-friendly. I do want to point out that the Gretl presentations are embedded within each week, within each module. So within the modules themselves is where you will find links to the software presentations. I enjoyed reading the discussions that were taking place in the first week's discussion forum, giving examples of bad data analysis or bad presentation of data. There was some common examples that were being provided. Many of you gave examples related to data pertaining to COVID-19 cases. There was a lot of manipulating of graphs that was going on in some of the great examples that you gave. For example, dates on the horizontal axis not always appearing in chronological order. Perhaps my favorite example was when a comparison was being made between actual Obamacare enrollment and the target Obamacare enrollment. And the numbers showed that we were about 85% to the target. However, the bar chart made it seem as if the enrollment was only about 25%, or at best a third, of the target enrollment. I just want to point out that in general, a good graph should provide a simple explanation for information that otherwise would be very difficult to present using just numbers. In this case, there was really only two numbers that we needed to know: the number of enrolled and the target enrollment number. There was really no need for the bar chart at all to provide this information in a very clear and concise way, which is why it was pretty obvious the bar chart was simply there to mislead the viewer who was being presented with the data. So keep it up there, post regularly to your learning journals, and always just be sure to get your initial posts in the discussion forum up by their due date. I should have those first paper and pencil assignment and Gretl assignment graded in the very near future, so be looking for that. And please feel encouraged to reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns. I'm here to help however I can, and I hope that we continue to have great success in the weeks moving forward. Stay well.